Hello everyone. In last topic, we had completed our chapter 8 theories. Now today we are going to start our exercise. So let's get started. So first of all, starting with section A MCQ, and the first one is how many moving joints are there in one human skull? And the answer is 1. Second question is how many bones are there in our rib cage? And the answer is 25. Third one is by the help of what is rib cage joined? And the answer is a backbone. Fourth one is what is the body of an earthworm made of? And the answer is rings. Fifth one is the wings of a bird are the modified from which organ? And the answer is forelimb. Sixth one is which type of joints is found in the human skull? And the answer is fixed joint. Part B, true or false, and the first one is cartilage can be bent. That is true. Second one is snakes have bones in their body, and the answer is true. Third one is cartilage is not present between vertebrae, and the answer is false. Fourth one is cockroach does not have wings, and the answer is false. Fifth one is the bones of birds are hollow, and the answer is true. Now talking about part B, fill in the blanks, and the first one is the point where two or more bones are attached is known as dash, and the answer is joint. Second one is hip joint in humans is a dash joint, and the answer is ball and socket. Third one is the external ear is made of dash, and the answer is cartilage. Fourth one is dash and dash help a fish to swim in water, and the answer is fins and tail. Fifth one is the shell of a snail is its dash, and the answer is outer skeleton. Now talking about definition, then the first one is skeleton. The bones in our body form a framework to give shape to our body. This framework is called a skeleton. Second one is cartilage. The parts of the skeleton that are not as hard as the bones and which can be bent are called cartilage. Third one is gait. The manner in which living organisms move from one place to another is called the gait. Now moving towards match the list, and part A, first is earthworm, second snail, third is cockroach, and the fourth one is snake. In part B, first one is long backbone, second is two pairs of wings and three pairs of legs. C is rings and D is shell. आंसर इज फर्स्ट के सामने आएगा सी, सेकंड के सामने डी, थर्ड के सामने बी एंड फोर्थ के सामने ए. Now talking about section B, answer in one sentence, and the first one is what is our rib cage made of? And the answer is our rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of rib. Second question is where is cartilage found in our body? And the answer is cartilage is present in nose, ears, bronchi, and between all the joints of our body. Third one is what is the use of joints in our body? And the answer is joints are the place where we move our bones to do all our work like bending, walking, writing, etc. Fourth one is how does our body move? And the answer is our body moves by the combined actions of bones and muscles. Fifth one is name the birds that swim in water, and the answer is duck and swan swim in water. Now part B, give differences, and the first one is bones and cartilage. First point, in bones they are hard and in cartilage they are soft. Second point, they cannot be bent and in cartilage they can be bent. Second one is ball and socket joints and hinge joints. First point, it permits free movement in all directions. And the first point, in hinge joints, it permits movement in our directions only. Second point is it is the most movable of the spinal joints. Example, shoulder and hip joints. Second point is it is comparatively less movable. Example, elbow. Now talking about section C, give scientific reasons, and the first one is small children should sit erect. Erect मतलब कि सीधा. And the answer is the bones of small children are soft. The bones during childhood can be bent comparatively more, so it they do not sit erect. Bones may be bent. Second one is earthworms are considered the friends of a farmer, and the answer is earthworm lives in the soil. It eats its way through the soil. Its body went through away the undigested part of the material that it eats. This activity of an earthworm makes the soil fertile for plants. The activity of the earthworms in the soil makes the soil and makes it porous and hence increase the productivity of the soil. Now talking about section D, answer in brief, and the first one is write short note on rib cage. And the answer is the rib cage consists of 24 ribs which are arranged in 12 pairs and are attached to a long flat bone in the center of the chest. The ribs are connected to the central bone in the front with a strong, somewhat flexible material called cartilage. And ribs are connected to the bones of the backbone in the back. The rib cage has three important functions, and the first one is protection, support, and respiration. Second one is it encloses and protects the heart, and lungs. And the last one is it provides strong framework. So here we are completing our exercise of chapter number 8. In next video, we are continuing our revision of essay 1. Thank you.